How to assemble Cortina CX Stroller. Make sure you have all the parts and the user manual that come in the box for easy reference. No additional tools are required for the assembly. First, straighten the handlebar and pull out basket frame. Unhook parent's tray, align with stroller frame and push down to fix it in place. Pull the handle located on parent's tray upwards to unfold the stroller. Fix the stroller seat cover over frame using push-lock buttons on both the sides. Now twist canopy clamp to align with stroller frame and fix the canopy on it. Slide the canopy down until it meets the armrest. To complete canopy assembly, detach button on canopy clamps, fix rear cover and reattach canopy buttons. To set up carry basket, insert narrow end of basket stand through slot in basket fabric. Snap the lower end of the basket stand onto bottom basket tube on stroller frame. Snap upper end of the basket stand on movable basket tube. Affix snap buttons to complete basket assembly. Next, attach the front wheels on the stroller frame. Align the front wheels and push up until you hear its click sound. For rear wheels assembly, mount the rear wheel on the rear axle rod with grooves facing inwards. Place the washer over wheel. Push locking pins straight side through the hole on the axle to lock the wheel. Snap the wheel cap over wheel to cover the locking pin. Repeat for the wheel on the other side. To mount rear axle on the stroller frame, align slots on the axle with stroller frame and push it in till snap buttons sit in place. Fix the front child's tray on stroller at its designated slots. You can detach child's tray using the buttons on either side of the child's tray. Cortina CX Stroller is fully assembled and ready for use. Refer owner's manual for usage instructions and additional warnings before using this product.